Okay, good day sa ating lahat mga kapatid, kapuso, kapamilya, and dumating na nga po tayo sa ating pupuntahan, Siargao. At pagkatapos nga po ng ating travel from Manila to Siargao, ayan na nga po, diretso na po tayo sa ating pupuntahan. Sumakay na rin po tayo ng bangka and look at the beautiful places. At pagkatapos nga po sumakay ng bangka, ayan na po. Welcome to Socorro.
Start of our tour in Sohodon, I would like to introduce myself as your tour guide for today. So, by the way, my name is Arjon, and also my co-guide Kuya Bunso.
Good
morning. And our boat operator, Tatay Alan. So, from here, going to entrance of Sohodon, we have 2 to 3 minutes to arriving this boat. So, since this boat is very noisy, I will continue my explanation into the entrance, okay? And then if you want to take a picture, just call my name and I'll be there, okay? Okay, Mr. DJ, play the music, please.
Yeah!
Bye! See you later!
Kayo na nga.
Sige po! Go!
Patrick! Patrick! Yeah!
She just needs some company, so you
She got motivated.
Got motivated. Yay!
I did a trick.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Super, super.
Ang galing!
Nice.
And second destination, Jellyfish. And pagkatapos po ng mahaba-habang activities program sa maghapon, ayan, let's have some good dinner dito sa Kermit, Siargao. And then morning breakfast naman po tayo mga kapatid, puso, kapamilya. Ayan, para po tayo may lakas pauwi sa Pangasinan. Ayan, so kape-kape and then ayan po, balik na po tayo. Thank you!